Recording in progress.
Hi, then welcome to a presentation about Ananta X, the prosperity ecosystem built for scalable rewards. So please note, Ananta X is a member-first ecosystem combining real-world benefits, automatic gold accumulation, and a structured reward system. A big shout out to everybody on the call, our honorary members, our new visitors, and all ambassadors. NantX is a prosperity ecosystem, the first and only one of its kind. 10 core benefits, one system, no waiting period. And after the call tonight, I'll be doing a recording on potential partnerships with celebrities, influencers, churches, groups, and even radio stations. So please note, NantX is fully FSP compliant and regulated, founded November 2022, and now your membership builds gold. Soon to be launched. Please keep an eye on the groups for the launch date. Is our new app, which accommodates the gold and the silver. Pretty cool stuff. So knowledge is power. Please allow yourself some time to go through the whole thing so you can make an informed decision, because somebody might look and say, oh, it must be like, oh, I was involved in something similar. Here's the answer. No, you haven't. Life is tougher. Groceries cost more. I believe electricity is going up again. Opportunities feel fewer. Securities, what's that? Scams are thriving. People are grabbing to anything that looks like it's going to help, and they're working harder than ever. The system is broken. What system am I talking about? I'm predominantly talking about the 9 to 5. Get a job, go to school, get good grades, maybe get some education, get a good job at a good company, and you'll be okay. That is not the truth. I mean, just look around. What if I told you could start saving every month, access benefits, and build a rewards income without selling stock, carrying products, all safe and secure? Anantex is built on 3 pillars: save, protect, and grow. And these pillars helps us. It makes us unshakable, stable, and unstoppable. So within each pillar, there is benefits for us. But please note, Anantex is not for everybody. It is for families who's looking for stability, professionals who value structure, especially network marketers. Yes, I said it, network marketers, because this is not network marketing. It is a benefit membership that can add value to your life as you are building whatever it is you're building. Builders, if for those individuals not involved somewhere else, builders, this is not a quick fix. If you're looking for stability and sustainability, this is your answer. Groups, churches, stockpiles, organizations, schools, and then what I call legacy builders. What makes Ananta X so unique? 10 core benefits: no selling, no distribution, no direct selling, no risk. It's FSP compliant, value for money, real benefits, no capital investment, unlimited rewards or income potential, training a duplicatable system with no hidden agenda. So let's quickly take a closer look at the 10 core benefits. But please note, Ananta X is not a product first or an income first membership model. It is value first to you and me, the member. Most people join for the real benefits that we're already using: groceries, healthcare, education, protection, and travel. Plus, now the automatic gold accumulation inside a compliant framework. So benefit number 1 is our virtual wallet. Embedded in this is our wealth growth benefit. This includes automatic gold accumulation. A portion of your membership will buy you gold every single month. We have a cash or rewards wallet, gold and silver wallets backed by a physical commodity, and you have the ability to buy additional gold and or silver whenever you want. Additionals is electricity, airtime, mobile data, USDT wallet to be added soon, and it's full access. It's an app coming on Apple, Android, non-web browsers access, and non-smartphone user access. But Ananta X and all its components operate within a fully FSP regulated and compliant framework. Now, I'm not going to go through all of this at the moment, but here's a big thing. If we imagine you started accumulating gold 2 years, 5 years, 10 years ago, where would you have been today? Now, do not ask yourself that question 2, 5, 10 years from now that you know this. So why gold? Because gold has held its value through wars, recessions, currencies. It's been there forever. And that's exactly why central banks, long-term investors, and families who think generational use gold. How does Ananta X make a difference? It happens automatically. It's not dependent on building. You don't have to go and recruit other people to get your gold. No, automatic. It works quietly. And this is part of everyday financial structure because everybody is looking for something to start building a better future. You don't have to time the markets. You just have to stay consistent. I'm not going to go through all of this. So benefit number 2 is our grocery coupons powered by Hermanix. It includes 5 digital coupons per product, redeemable at Dis-Chem, ShopRite Checkers, Pick n Pay, and USave. We got about 750 Rand per month per store. That is 3,000 Rand per month available for you and your grocery baskets. Fully digital, easy to use. And now these are not all of them. This is just some of them. So there's nappies and tinned food and cooking oil, peanut butter, jam, bread, buns, Millie Meal, rainbow chicken pieces, McCain's, there's Dooms, and this is stuff that we use in our house every single day. 3,000 Rand per month. Benefit number 3 is part of our Protect pillar, our funeral arrangement. This includes in the event an Ananta member passes away, we're leaving something behind. They get professional funeral assistance, 1,000 Rand grocery voucher, 240 hours of talk time, an Android smartphone gifted by Ananta X with 10 gigs of data for them to use. Number 4, concierge style travel club. This includes unlimited bookings, no excess on hold for rentals. And when you book, we don't pay deposits. You book, you pay, you go. It's easy as that. Accommodation up to 60%. Car rental benefit includes unlimited kilometers. You can add an additional driver for free, and we only pay the fuel deposit. Obviously, flights and bus bookings as well. Benefit number 5 is our emergency assist medical support. This includes private ambulance cover for the main member, and for yourself and your family, a 24/7 medical helpline that can help with anything related to medical stuff. Benefit number 6, group discount on short-term insurance. This includes personal cover, business cover, group negotiated rates, and they are linked. All the big insurance houses, and they will literally fight for us for the best possible pricing. Benefit number 7 has been increased. This is our education benefit. The first one, through CTU College, a 10% discretionary discount on selected programs online and through their campuses in South Africa. Added is the second one, is our legacy learning program. Now, I say at no additional cost. This was added, and the premium of your membership premium did not go up. So what is legacy learning? This includes over 250 online courses worth thousands, tens of thousands of rands, covering entrepreneurship, fitness, health and healthy eating, internet marketing, personal growth, productivity, and even web design. So there's just some examples. I got the Facebook one, and I've sent it to the people that were on the Zoom the other day. Benefit number 8 is massive. Our Call the Teacher private tutorship. It includes up to 48 hours per month per child, covering all grades, all subjects, and all major South African languages. Team of teachers available from 6 to 9, Mondays to Thursdays, except public holidays. They use all platforms and even have a callback service. It is a queuing process, so just plan ahead. Benefit number 9 is a growing benefit. This is our additionals that we bring to us as the members. Health for all, funeral for all, Ananta X Academy, property referral, free last will and testament, bond originating services, and more. Next in line, which I'm really working hard to, is our Ananta X dialer. That is going to be cracking. Anyway, I'm not going to go through all of this. We've got the funeral options for families. We've got a health care option that offers unlimited doctor's visits and acute and chronic medication, private hospital cover, emergent dentistry, optometry, even a vaccination program, and more. In the pipeline, we will launch an international product for those people that knows people not in our country. Online store, obviously, there's a lot. Ananta X airtime, legal accounting, there's a lot of stuff we're working on. But Ananta X is about the product because we offer something for everybody. So there's some options. Ananta X is a prosperity ecosystem. It's not a typical business pitch. Members join mainly for real day benefits and now obviously the auto gold accumulation that's built in. Some people are just happy by using it. Some others wants to do something different. So what's the option? Do you want a covered membership? Do you want to start earning rewards that's going to cover your membership? If the answer is no, that's fine because membership is powerful enough with savings, benefits, additionals, and now even the auto gold to get back a large portion, if not your entire membership. Yes, we talk about trailblazers. So that is to cover the cost first. So what do we do? With 4 active personals on my link to do what? Did I sign people up just for numbers? No. Did I add value to people's lives through the membership? Yes. 4 people and you start earning rewards in the form of gold. So if I've got 4 active personals, my membership is covered in gold. If I want to withdraw it, simply exchange it to my cash wallet and EFT it out to your bank account if you want to. Other people are going to say, yes, but I want more. I'm sick and tired of jumping from this to that and promises and false hope and all this crap. I just need something stable. And that's what Ananta X is. Can it become more than a benefit? Yes. It can become a career, and I love that word, your legacy, your freedom with all kinds of rewards. And it can. So number 10 is our rewards training and legacy program. This includes the Ananta X 5-step system duplication, the Ananta X Academy leadership and skills, our 4-week action empowerment program, ongoing training on our growth room. We're busy with our 7 skills retirement acceleration program, ranks recognition, our uni-level rewards program, and unique to Ananta X is quarterly incentives. It's never been done before. That's in the form of cash, travel, local, and international. How do I unlock my benefits? If I refer somebody, empower somebody else, you get rewarded. If they start empowering other people, you get rewarded. We call that milestones, and on certain selected additionals as well. So, if you're a member, you get a unique link. If you refer somebody, you get rewarded 100 Rand per month. That means if you refer 100 people, you will be rewarded 10,000 Rand per month in gold. And you can simply exchange and withdraw of that whatever you want. Our community rewards program is a 5-level system. The milestone number 1, my 4, which means my membership is covered in gold. I have all the benefits and the auto gold. Milestone number 2, I'm going to help them do what I did. 4 get their 4. Everybody's got the benefits, the auto gold, but now you start getting additional. On this, the milestone 2, it's just over 800 Rand. Milestone 3, 3,000. Milestone 4, 8,000. Milestone 5, over 23,000 Rand per month in gold. If you need 10,000 of that, you simply exchange it to your cash wallet and withdraw to your bank account. Now, there is some reasons why we do that or did that. But it is uncapped. If everybody just empowers one more person, your rewards income shoots up to over 65,000 Rand per month. And everybody gets the gold. Very cool. So most programs limit us, but at Anantex, we believe in freedom and fairness. You can connect as many people as you want or like. If you've got 4, your membership is covered. If you've got 10, you're earning about 1,000 Rand. If you've got 100, 10,000. If you put in 1,000 people, you're earning 100,000 Rand per month. No networking, direct referrals. Think about that. This unlimited width creates unlimited potential with no product sales, no stock, and no hidden agenda. It's about sharing and empowering the benefits. Now, for the fun part, we built in some ranks and recognition. First level is manager, 1, 2, 3 star. So manager, if you've got 5 active personals, you take the rank as manager. Manager 1 star, you need 5 active personals and 10 people anywhere within your 5 levels. Doesn't matter where they are. You take the next rank and so on and so forth. From senior manager, it changes. So for senior manager, you need 7 personals and 100 people in your team. The minimum you would earn is over 2,000 Rand a month. The minimum. Nobody is selling anything. But quarterly, you will now qualify for 2,500 Rand incentive cash. So 3 months later, you're there again, you get it again. But anyway, from manager 4 star, it's 25,000 Rand a quarter. From diamond, obviously the first one is a local ship cruise. After that, you can choose holiday for 2 or the cash incentive. Crown diamond, Indonesia, Malaysia, or a 300,000 Rand cash incentive. Double diamond, 400,000, 600, platinum, million Rand a quarter. So what does this mean? Every time you reach and only maintain the volume required for a specific rank, you will get the cash incentive and or the allocated holiday. So 3 months later, if you are still at that rank, not next one yet, you get the incentive again. 3 months later, you haven't reached the next one, still got the same volume, you get it again. So we got some cool step-by-step Anantex Academy, the Anantex 5-step system. We got proposals, which I'm going to do after this. And Anantex is about empowering your lifestyle. If it's saving on groceries or the health or the education, everything is built to empower us. Now, we're all moving somewhere and we want to get there fast. I will never, ever wait until 65 or 70 or whatever for somebody to tell me I'm done. No, that's my choice. Anantex is FSP compliant and safe and can help you get there fast. It's a vehicle to add. And please remember, we are not in competition. Anantex is not the enemy. What did you like most about what you saw in the 10 core benefits? Thousands of rands in savings, services, rewards, additional and auto gold accumulation. The value at only 400 Rand per month. Most of that can be recovered through coupons and additional savings. We got online Zooms, Monday night at 8 o'clock, our growth room, Tuesdays, Thursdays to Zoom. We got a WhatsApp presentations, incredible Telegram group. And people are looking, people are hungry. Our job is to go and tell them. So get back to the person that sent you this or showing you something relating to Anantex. But a couple of things you need to remember. Anantex is more than a membership. It is a movement. a movement that's going to turn struggle into strength, effort into freedom, and today's discipline into tomorrow's legacy. Because together we are building something that generations will thank us for. Thank you for being here. You chose to evaluate structure. You chose to evaluate stability, and you chose to evaluate your future. That already sets you apart. Information changes nothing. Decisions changes everything. And Ananta-X was not designed for spectators. It was designed for participants. If it makes sense, here's a key. Start positioning yourself. Position today, build tomorrow, strengthen your future.